You have heard 3D, right? Where you can watch some TV or use your computer. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3D in Scratch. Let's get to it. Basically, a brief overview of what we will be making today. And I hope you will like the video, and I hope you will subscribe to me. First, we'll need 4 sets of variables. One called X, one called Y, one called CamX, one called CamY. Now, essentially, what we're going to do is we're going to get a when green flag clicked forever, go to X, and then we're going to get a minus. We're going to duplicate this and put them inside the Y and X's, and then we're going to subtract X from our CamX and subtract Y from our CamY. Now when we press play and we set CamX and CamY as sliders, we can see that I can move around and stuff. Now we're just going to start hiding these variables. Now what we need to do, we need to initialize our variables. So we're going to set CamX to 0, CamY to 0. Now we're going to set X to 0, and we need to set Y to 0 too. Now we're going to do a set size to 100%, and then the costumes, we typically want to make this smaller than it is right now, about that small. Okay, now if our size is over 539, me and my oddly specific values. Well, if our size is over 539, then hide. Then we're going to grab it if else, and then we're actually gonna drag this in there. Then if else size over 539, then hide, else, show. Now we wanna create a new variable called distance, and we wanna do a if key up arrow press, then change size by our distance. And then we're going to change size by 5. Now we're going to duplicate this and change it to our down arrow. Then we're going to change size by -5. Now we're going to do a if key right arrow press, then change CamX by 5. And if key left arrow press, change CamX by -5. Now we're actually going to go to our backdrops, fill this entire thing in green as much as you can. Green. Now we're going to change the top layer to blue, so click out, click in, and then we're going to change the top layer to a blue. Now if we press play and hide distance variable, we can see that as we get closer, the sprite gets closer to us. As we get farther, it gets farther. When we go right, you can see that it's going right like that, and whenever we get really close, it hides. That was it for this video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to like and subscribe, and bye.